Hi guys, this is Eclipse back with another video. Today I got this experiment to do. It's like, what would happen if you're experimenting on all all thin paint, like every single paint is really thin, mixed thinly. Even your base paint is mixed thinly. What would happen? So yeah, let's go. What I have here is your normal white mixed with water. There's no pouring medium inside of it. Medium yellow with a tiny bit of pouring medium and water to dilute. This orange right here is the result of this medium yellow and this red. Let me check what's red. It says dark cadmium red hue. So these two mixed together, and this is the red, the dark cadmium red hue. So yeah, let me get my gloves on and we're going to do the experiment. So got my gloves on. The way we're gonna do this experiment today is I'm going to put all three of these color into a cup and we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna pour the white around it so that it helps the paint will flow when we lift the cup up. And by the way, if this is an old canvas I made, it was an experiment on something they call chameleon cell, and that was a big failure. Like the cell, apparently like what I was using is a hair comb, which is not that big. So like the cell is not that big, it's not that cool. So I'm just gonna reuse it. So here we go. Got the cup. We're gonna go with the darkest color, red, orange, if you can see how I'm not quite, let me show how thin this paint is first. Look at that. Look at that. It's really thin. It's really runny. So, yellow. Here we go. Oh, let me get gotta get my best friend ready. So, there's the flip. And what, gonna bring it to the thinner a little bit, and then we're gonna go with the white. Gonna keep a little bit of the white just in case, and then with this I'm just gonna spread the paint out just in case. Gotta get it to the edge just in case that somehow this is a message for all the beginners out there. Like, you got to actually like spread the paint all over to the edge, like the base paint, because I know this myself, because like when I first started doing this, it was the hardest part, spreading the paint to the edge. And then when you start to get those cells, like, you always have this mind conflict of what to keep and what not to keep. So push the base paint to the edge so it will be easier for you. Now it's time to lift the cup. And stretch. the edge and then bring that thing back. Try not to, you know, ruin some cell, you know. There you go. Paint is stretch. Let me take care of the corner and edge.
Now, if you guys asked me, like, watch the last video, and then I was saying that I couldn't speak on the place because the place was too loud. And why am I talking today and not waiting until I got the video later on? It's just that today it's Saturday, and I know the video's going tomorrow on Sunday, but today is Saturday, and nobody's here except for the ladies who work inside of the building for cleaning. And a part of that, no one's here, so it's not that loud at all. And you can see the sound in the background, that's them doing all the cleaning.
Now, with that all out of the way, introducing my best friend, the blowtorch. Let's torch. You can see, let's see. Yeah, that right there. So I didn't mention what the experiment is about. I want to see how the base paint can do, what the base paint can do to your painting if it's runny. As you can see, let me show you. Gonna put this down. Here, let me show you. Right here, see all these and these. I want to see that happen because, like, normally, this is what would happen when, you know, there's a runny paint. And I want to see how that do to a painting, and now this is what you get, you know, these tiny cell popping up. They are cell, but they're just small. And by the way, I'm really impressed by what I got here. There's tiny cell, and then there's these, like, good size cell. I mean, it's not that big, but it's good size. Now that this thing, the base paint only has water inside of it. Shall we try it again? Like, what if I add silicone into the base paint? You know what? Let's try another one. I'm just gonna cut this video right here. I'm just gonna go prepare another canvas, and let's try another one with white as the base paint. It's still runny as this one, but there's silicone inside of it. I'll be right back. Hi, so we're back again. This time, now I haven't added the silicone into the white yet. Let me go grab my silicone. So this is a silicone I use. Like, it's hard to get the treadmill oil. This is also a treadmill oil, but you know, the one that people normally use is really expensive here. So I'm just gonna go grab whatever silicone oil I can find. It's 3 drop. Just put 3 drop, and just gonna stir it in. Now, new cup. Not gonna use this cup. Nope. So, here we go. Again, same thing. Red. By the way, that's another canvas that I messed up. You know, not every single pour goes according to plan. For this one, like, the cell didn't go the exact same way I wanted it to go, so yeah. Same order. Red, orange, and yellow. And then let's pour. Sip. Bring it to the middle a little bit. This is the moment of truth right here. The white goes in. Gonna save myself a little bit of white just in case. And what did I say? Push the base color to the edge. Oop, there's one edge that I couldn't cover. There you go. Everywhere is covered. We're good to go. Time to live. Nope, don't come back. That look cool. Whatever, let's stretch, shall we? Remember, tell yourself, remind yourself, why do I have to rush while stretching the paint? You know, this is a very okay, now all the way to the edge. All the way. There you go. I'll clean my hand a little bit. Time to torch. Well, let's see. That is interesting. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? That's very interesting. Doing things I love to do the most. Cleaning up the edge. Trying not to miss any. I don't want to see myself missing any corner at all when the paint dry. What do you guys think? Let me take you guys on a close-up. What do you guys think? Look at this. Look at this. Look at these cells. I mean, there's cell created by the color. I mean, the yellow, orange, and red. But there's also cell created by the white in the base paint. As you can check the edge, see there's cell too. Like, these are cell. Oops, I just missed that corner. See? Man. Fix. What do you guys think? Is it good? Now, I'm just gonna bring this back in for a side-to-side comparison. So these are the two painting. So let me get this out of the way first. So this one is actually the white in the base paint has no silicone. In this, the white in the base paint has silicone, but both white in the background are very runny. And the top coat, like the color, is orange, mid yellow, and dark cadmium hue. And they're also runny. So these are the result. Let me take you for a close-up once again. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys on a close-up view for some cell, and let me put you guys up with some music, okay? Let's go. So this is the end of the experiment. I hope you guys like it. And if you want more of the same content, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend though. Also, don't forget to click the bell button so that you can get notified when I post the next video. By the way, I love, look at all these cells. And this right here, this is very lovely. See? Wow, this is cool. And these white cells, they keep on popping up. Like this is amazing. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.